Hi guys, this is WowProperty here. It's been a while since the last video, so if you would like to see new videos more often in our channel, subscribe if you are a new one, and it would be awesome if you would comment what type of content you would like to see in our channel, cabins, luxury stays, or maybe you have any other suggestions. So I will be waiting your comments, but now let's move forward with today's tour. Today I'm gonna touring this beautiful 150 square meter lake cabin with 100 square meter terrace. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very spacious inside. Actually, you can't tell how big it is in the video because of the tall ceiling. It feels like you would be walking through mansion. And right next to the door you have a very simple but beautifully designed hanger, and on the other side you have a full-length mirror, and compared to me you can see how big it actually is, and it's very convenient. And right in front of you, you have open concept spacious living space with a beautiful white couch and a couple other sitting options, a TV, and to make it even more cozier in winter, you have a fireplace right in the corner. A kitchen area with a beautiful dining table that sits up to 8 people, and interior design is very bright, all in natural tones. Let's continue with the master bedroom, and just look at this bathroom. It's beautifully designed with a great tiling and a bathtub, and the thing that you can't go wrong with, it's the must in every Airbnb. I think I could see myself living here, seriously. I really enjoy this place. And on the right side you have these sliding doors that separates your shower and toilet zone. It's very simple, but looks very modern, and these huge windows makes bedrooms even more cozy since you're surrounded by nature and a lot of daylight. Actually, all bedrooms are very bright, simple layout, but the best part are these sliding doors with direct access to the outdoor deck. And as you're surrounded by nature, there's peaceful sounds everywhere you walk, and you can hear them even from your bed. When doors are open, which is great, I think just a perfect sound to sleep to. I'm definitely be taking notes for myself, just to don't forget some cool design features that we can use in our own future Airbnb property. Now let's go back to the kitchen, and right from the kitchen area you have direct access to the outdoor terrace and a fireplace with endless views on nature and lake, and being able to walk right out and overlook the water is amazing. And on the other side of the terrace you have another lounge spot with a beautiful outdoor sofa as well, so you and your company will have plenty of space to gather as one or break away for more intimate moments if you're too much for each other. There's a barbecue zone as well with a grill and a wooden outdoor table that sits up to 10 people, which is the best spot for barbecue lunch or dinner. Now look at this. This is the coolest spot of the property. for me, a spot to rest your mind, enjoy sunset, sunrise, or stargazing from here. It's absolutely magical. If you like nature, this is for you. You will love this place. This whole lake cabin feels really special and unique, and if you're inspired by this tour, you have to come to this place and check out by yourself. As always, I will leave all the information and Airbnb link down below, so go and check out, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and yeah, come and enjoy this place by yourself. You won't regret it. And see you in our next tour.